Hello, welcome to this new video. This is a new video to give you some updates about our DeAgostini Millennium Falcon custom boards. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, the new transceiver and receiver PCBs are blocked by customs in China. So this is the reason about our delay. But of course, we are not stopped. We are working all the days and we have ready the keyboard PCB. This is the final keyboard PCB and this is the complete keyboard. At this stage we have also the complete manual. We have the keyboard assembly manual, so let's go to give a quick look to this manual so we can understand how this keyboard works. Okay, so this is the keyboard assembly manual for TX Falcon. As you can see, there is Italian language, but also English, so you can read it in your language. There are a lot of parts and also the component list. There are a lot of pictures about printed circuit, mounting 1K resistor, 100 ohm resistors, 27 kilo ohm resistors, etc. So if you choose to do this job by yourself, with this manual you can do it without any problem. Okay, so this is in detail the keyboard PCB and this is the fully assembled keyboard. This assembly presents a medium difficulty, so it is advisable to do it only if you are an expert. Otherwise, you risk damaging the printed circuit board. We recommend using a soldering iron with a fine tip like this and a thin wire with a diameter of 1 millimeter. Okay, so as you can see, I have 10 keyboard PCBs ready to be assembled. In the next few days I will start to do this job. Of course, in this bag I have several components. I have buttons, I have resistors, LEDs, wires, etc. And in the final keyboard we have 10 buttons, 5 per line. We have 3 LEDs, yellow, red and green. We have 1 capacitor and this switch. Of course, it is very important to use the correct soldering iron. Okay, so that's all about the new keyboard. Then I want to tell you that when we'll receive the PCBs from China, we will be able to take the first 5 reservations, which, as we promised, will be 160 euros plus shipping. Unfortunately, due to the very high customs costs, the other pieces will cost something more, but don't worry, nothing huge. So that's all for this video. Give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. We will see you soon in the next days. Cheers!